Did you know that just 30 minutes of walking a day can boost your mood and reduce stress levels? It's one of the easiest ways to kickstart healthier habits. Adopting healthier habits can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. We all know that making healthy choices can improve our lives, but sometimes it's hard to get started. The good news is that small changes can add up over time, and I'm excited to share some easy and practical tips to help you get started. We live in a world where convenience and technology often rule our daily lives, making it easy to fall into unhealthy patterns. Long working hours, endless screen time, and easy access to processed foods can all take a toll on our health. But the truth is, making healthier choices doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. So let's get started with some simple tips. First, try drinking 1 extra glass of water as soon as you wake up. This can help rehydrate your body after a night of sleep and kickstart your metabolism. Another easy tip is to take a short walk during your lunch break or do a few jumping jacks during commercial breaks while watching TV. These small actions can make a big difference over time. In addition to small physical changes, it's also important to focus on mental well-being. Take a few minutes each day to practice deep breathing exercises or meditation. You can find plenty of free resources online, or simply download an app to guide you through the process. By prioritizing your mental health, you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges. As you start making these small changes, you'll begin to notice a shift in how you feel. Your energy levels will increase, your mood will improve, and you might even notice improvements in your sleep quality. These small wins can be incredibly motivating, and before you know it, you'll be hooked on making healthier choices. Over time, these small changes can add up to make a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. By incorporating healthier habits into your daily routine, you'll be investing in a healthier, happier you. And the best part is, it's not about making drastic changes or overhauling your entire lifestyle. It's about making small, sustainable choices that you can stick to. According to a leading health expert, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to healthier habits. By focusing on making small, achievable changes, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Many people have successfully adopted healthier habits and seen the positive impact it has on their lives. In conclusion, healthier habits don't have to be complicated or difficult to adopt. By incorporating small, practical changes into your daily routine, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, it's all about making progress, not perfection. If you're interested in learning more about healthier habits, be sure to check out our next video on healthy meal prep ideas. Or share your own favorite healthy habits in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.